We are here today to show you the Wi-Fi 7 Nighthawk RS700 router, a product that's spearheading the Wi-Fi 7 revolution. With speeds up to 19 gigabits per second, 2.4 times faster than Wi-Fi 6, and coverage up to 3,500 square feet, with up to 200 connected devices. Experience the very best of 4K, 8K streaming, video conferencing, AR/VR entertainment, and next-gen gaming. Some Nighthawk RS700 highlights are listed on the front of the box. On this side are the port descriptions for the RS700 router. On the other side are details about accessing the Nighthawk app for easy installation and device management, and information about the included 1-year subscription of Netgear Armor. The back calls out the additional benefits of our new Wi-Fi 7 technology compared to Wi-Fi 6, and the new high-performance antennas that provide 360-degree coverage. Listed on the bottom are the tech specs, details about what's in the box, physical specifications, warranty URL, and technical support information. Now let's see what's inside. Let's get started. You'll first see the quick start guide. The quick start guide, displayed in English and French, will ask you to download the Nighthawk app, which you'll use to install the router. The back of the quick start guide includes the box contents, LED details, and the function of each port and button. Next is the accessories box. Carefully remove the box and set it on the other side of the table to open. You'll see a card about the included Netgear Armor 1-year protection in English and French. The accessories box also includes an Ethernet cable, which you'll use to connect your RS700 router to your current internet service provider device, like a cable modem. You'll also find the power adapter. Next, you'll see the RS700 router. Carefully pull up on the silver ribbon to the side and use the other hand to assist. Remove the unit from the plastic cover and set it aside. Let's look at the router. On the back, you'll see a 10 gigabit internet port to connect to your internet provider's modem. This ensures you get the fastest speeds available today and in the future. If your modem does not have a multi-gig port, but has 2 gigabit ports that can do port aggregation, connect the 2 ports on the modem to the 2 ports marked as Internet Aggregation on your router. You will also see 1 USB 3 port, 4 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports, and 1 10 gigabit Ethernet LAN port. Plenty of ports for wired Ethernet devices. Some network-attached storage devices, also known as a NAS storage device, have 2 gigabit ports that can be aggregated to support up to 2 gigabits per second speeds. You can connect such a device to the 2 ports marked as LAN aggregation on your router. Follow the step-by-step RS700 setup process using the Nighthawk app, available for iOS and Android. This makes installation super easy and helps you manage your home network, check speeds, manage connected devices, and do firmware updates. The Nighthawk app also provides Netgear Armor, powered by Bitdefender, to protect your connected devices from cybersecurity threats, and smart parental controls to help build smart digital habits for kids. Click the video in the description below to learn how to set up the Nighthawk RS700 Wi-Fi 7 router, or click the link in the top right corner. To learn more about the Nighthawk RS700 Wi-Fi 7 router, visit netgear.com/RS700. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.